Hi, thank you for watching our videos, and we're new to YouTube, so please support us and subscribe and like to our channel. These are some little birdies that are on our balcony, and they're growing up so fast. They already have feathers on them, and in just a couple of days they started having feathers on them so fast. I hope y'all enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. Say hi, girl.
Hi.
My daughter's over here playing with her bubbles. I think that's the mom that's up front. Like this one, that one right there. I think that one's the mom. And I think the rest of them are the babies. Like the babies are back there.
Come on, show.
Alright guys, she wants me to show y'all something. What do you want me to show them?